my channel. My name is Anne. For those of you who are new, welcome to your channel for all things makeup, beauty, hair, fashion and lifestyle. So in today's video, I'm going to take you through a tutorial on pre-poo treatment. Some of you might not understand what pre-poo treatment is, but pre-poo is a short term for pre-shampoo. So it's simply pre-shampoo. It's something you do before you shampoo your hair. As you can see, I'm stretching my hair and it has a lot of growth. It looks really full. It's kind of hard to really stretch it so that it can lay completely on my head, but it's all right. So in order to have a successful relaxer stretch, it's very important to incorporate a pre-poo shampoo in your hair care regimen. I like to pre-poo my hair before my shampoo with a mixture of my conditioner and some oils. I might use just coconut oil, or other times I might mix coconut oil, castor oil and olive oil, whichever oils I have currently. So the reason why I mostly use coconut oil when I'm doing my pre-poo is because coconut oil is known to protect the hair from protein loss during pre-poo treatment. It also helps prevent damage to the cuticles, which means less damage means stronger, fuller cuticle, which eventually gives you stronger, fuller, thicker hair. One of the most important hair care regimen is to moisturize your hair. And sometimes you might feel like your hair is not getting really the moisture that it needs, like it's not really changing when you do your moisturizing and sealing. That's a sign that you need to do a pre-poo treatment. Pre-poo treatment helps you bring back moisture back to your hair even when you are not doing a deep conditioner. You can just do a pre-poo treatment and then wash the hair and then continue moisturizing. So for me, my pre-poo today is before my wash day. So I'm going to pre-poo the hair before I give it a shampoo. My wash days always start the same way, with first detangling the hair and then a pre-poo treatment before I wash it. Pre-poo helps prepare and protect your hair before the washing process. So without any further ado, I'm going to take you through the entire process, showing you what exactly I use and why I use it, and how I mix the products that I use. So let's get started. I'm doing a conditioner based treatment. This is a conditioner, it's a Tresemme conditioner. It's moisture rich with vitamin E, luxurious moisture for dry damaged hair. So I'm going to use this conditioner and I'm going to mix it with some oils. The oils that I'm going to mix today, I'm going to use coconut oil, olive oil and Jamaican black castor oil. I've already put my olive oil here and Jamaican black castor oil, but I want to add a little bit of it. This is just a little bit of it that's remaining. I have another one. Just to add a bit of it. So this is where I mix my oils. It used to be an Apogee essential oils for hair, but got finished. So the next thing I'm going to put is I'm going to add some coconut oil. There was already coconut oil in there, but I want to just add a little bit of it. This is hot water. So what I do, I take my oil and I dip them in hot water because I want a hot oil treatment. I want my oils to be hot when I mix them with my conditioner. The next thing I do, I take a tin. I add a little bit of the conditioner that I'll be using. Doesn't have to be too much. I don't know whether you can see that. That's what I'm going to add just a little bit of it. That's what I'll be using. I'm going to wait for these oils to heat. I'm going to mix the oils and the conditioner and then apply it to the hair. This is my pre-poo treatment product. I use a conditioner and oils. I've shown you what I'm using for my pre-poo treatment, but there are different types of things that you can use for your pre-poo treatment. Like I've said, you can either use a conditioner, you can use your deep conditioner, the one you use for deep treatment. You can also use natural remedies, like you can mix up yogurt, banana, avocado. You can mix up all those items and you can use them for your hair, or you can just use oils. Like the oils that I've just mixed, you can heat them up and then apply them on your hair. Leave it there for around 15-30 minutes. I normally leave it for 30 to 1 hour. What I do is apply it and then I leave it there. I go back and do the chores that I need to do, and then later on I'll come back and wash it off. When you're stretching your relaxer, it's important to work in sections. So that's what I'm going to do to reduce breakage. I'm going to divide up my hair. I'm going to use 2 halves today. So by now my oils are hot. I'm going to mix it with the conditioner. Doesn't have to. I don't have a brush. I normally have a brush that I use, but I've misplaced it and I'm just going to use my hands. And I'm going to take it like this and apply it. I'm going to add some more oils. Ensure that you apply your treatment generously all over the hair and concentrate on the ends. Prepuin helps soften dirt and debris on hair fiber so that it slides off easier during washing. Applying Prepu whilst detangling will lubricate your hair, which will remove the knots and tangles, which reduces breakage. Prepuin also reduces cracking and damage to your hair cuticle, because when hair absorbs water, it expands, then reduces to normal size when drying. You can also take your hot oil that had remained and apply it all over the hair generously, especially on the ends. This is a good time to detangle your hair and ensure that you are doing that with your fingers, because now that the hair is soaked with the product, it's going to be soft and it's going to be very easy to detangle all those knots. There we go, guys. My hair is completely soaked in conditioner and those oils. You have to really concentrate on the ends and make sure they are completely soaked, because ends are the areas which dry the most and they are definitely the oldest hair on your head, so you have to really take care of it. I've used all of the conditioner and you can see I feel so nice. My hair feels so soft and moisturized. I'm going to tie this up and put on my plastic cap, and then on top I'm going to tie a head wrap, and then I'm just going to do my housework as usual. I'll take around an hour or 2 hours to let that goodness soak into my hair and then to wash it off. So guys, you can clearly see the growth now. I'm 10 weeks post relaxer. So guys, that's it. That's my Prepu treatment. I hope you've enjoyed the video and you've learned something. Prepuin is not really an essential part of a healthy hair care regimen, but it's beneficial if you're on a healthy hair journey. which I'm on. So this is so good and the hair feels so good. You see, it's completely detangled. I really hope you've loved the video and I hope you've learned a lot. If you have, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also turn on notifications so you do not miss any upload. Until next time, have a lovely time.